Welcome to this episode of our 3-Minute Investment. We help you easily understand the financial reports of popular companies. What if I told you the Microsoft, the software company behind Windows and Word, doesn't really exist anymore? As of January 2026, Microsoft has quietly transformed into something much bigger and much more expensive. They are no longer just writing code. They are building a, quote, planet-scale computer. Today, we are analyzing Microsoft's fiscal reality. We are looking at the hard numbers, not the hype, to understand how a company worth nearly $3.6 trillion is trying to reinvent the global economy. Here is the headline number you need to know: $80 billion. That is the annualized run rate Microsoft is currently spending on capital expenditures, roughly the entire GDP of a country like Panama or Sri Lanka. For decades, Microsoft was a cash-printing machine with low costs. But look at the 2026 balance sheet. They are shifting from a, quote, capital-light software model to a capital-heavy utility model. Think of them less like a software company and more like an electric utility. They are building the power plants of the AI age. This shift is massive. In the first quarter of fiscal year 2026 alone, revenue jumped 18% to over $77 billion. Their cloud division, Azure, is growing at a staggering rate because every major enterprise is renting space on this new world computer to run their AI. But here's the genius and the risk of their strategy. To control costs, Microsoft is now making its own silicon. They've launched the Cobalt CPU and the Maya I chip. They are trying to stop paying a, quote, tax to NVIDIA and control their own destiny. They are vertically integrating, from the nuclear power plant that runs the data center, to the chip, to the software on your screen. It's not all smooth sailing. There is a, quote, depreciation wall coming. All that expensive equipment loses value fast. Plus, security remains their Achilles heel. After major state-sponsored hacks, they are forced to spend billions just to lock the doors, rewriting their security architecture under the Secure Future Initiative. So where does that leave you? The bull case is simple. Microsoft is the operating system of the future economy. They have a $100 billion cash pile to outspend anyone, and they own the distribution. The bear case? It's the return on investment. If the demand for AI doesn't explode to match that $80 billion spending spree, their profit margins could get crushed. Microsoft is building the factory of the future. The question is, will the world buy enough of what they are manufacturing? Thank you for watching. Let us know what companies you want to know more about in the comment below. Please subscribe for more financial analysis to rocket your investment.